The core is too damaged by dark energon to sustain life on Cybertron. In order to repair itself, the core must shut down for millions of years. Carrying the power of the matrix of leadership inside him, Optimus Prime must sadly order the evacuation of the entire planet if the race of Transformers is to survive.
To all Autobots within range of this signal, our planet is dying. We have no choice but to take to the stars. I am ordering the evacuation of all Autobot cities, effective immediately.
What was that?
I told you, to stay and defy me was to die, and no one defies Megatron.
He's insane.
Silverbolt, ready your soldiers. We need that gun offline now.
Silverbolt, do we even have a plan? The Energon Bridge draws power directly from Cybertron to fuel the gun. We'll follow the beam up to the station and shut it off.
That'll give the transports enough time to escape.
Keep moving. Head through the beam conduit.
Watch it! Get too close to that beam, and you're either fried by radiation or zapped by a plasma flare.
No kidding. I can already feel it searing my circuits. Nice flying, Autobots. Wow. Is that the relay station?
Yes. It splits the beam to redistribute power. I never thought I'd have to see it again.
Kick in those afterburners, Autobots. Every second counts.
Terrific. Here comes the welcoming committee.
Engaging now!
System! Be careful of the automated defenses!
Watch out for those rockets!
running again! Shoot it!
That's our ticket inside the station. Shoot your way in!
There! Disable the safety locks!
Control node! Step back! The crash exposed some exhaust tubes up ahead. Looks like we found our...
It's gonna be pretty choppy in those vents!
This must be the coolant room.
The beam that powers the gun runs so hot, this entire area is dedicated to cooling it. We can disrupt the cooling process. The gun won't be able to fire.
So how do we do that?
Well, I say we start blasting stuff.
Now you're talking, Silverbolt!
Attention! Decepticons incoming!
There! Activate that terminal! We need to pinpoint the location of the coolant pump so we can shut it down!
I'm ready! Let's do this!
Take cover!
Grenade in the air!
Up ahead! Fire!
Weapon cooldown! This must be the coolant room.
The beam that powers the gun runs so hot, this entire area is dedicated to cooling it. We can disrupt the cooling process. The gun won't be able to fire.
How do we do that?
Well, I say we start blasting stuff.
Now you're talking, Silverbolt!
Give me a second.
I figure I'll be in stasis any minute now.
Attention! Decepticons incoming!
There! Activate that terminal! We need to pinpoint the location of the coolant pump so we can shut it down!
Enemy ground vehicle approaching!
I downed another one! Weapon's too hot!
We're a fine addition to the ranks! Decepticons inbound! Out of energy!
gotta say, I wasn't thrilled when Optimus named you leader of the squad instead of me.
Really, Air Raid? You picked now to talk about this?
No, hear me out. What I mean to say is, you don't entirely suck at the job. You know, for a guy who's afraid of heights and all.
Very funny, Air Raid.
It's a compliment. Now we're talking. I got those Decepticons! Okay, wings are stowed. All right, guys, the coolant pump is just ahead.
Let's take it down!
Subject overheated.
Great job, guys!
Access hatch open.
The main controls are below the surface of the coolant. Quickly, get into the subcooling pod. That's how I prefer Decepticons. Riddle with blast holes. Here we can find the main control room and flush the rest of the coolant out of the station. Okay, we still have to flush the tanks. Head to the coolant control room. Let's move, Autobots! I'll get good use out of this. Watch out! Cloakers! Ready to fly! Weapons too hot!
Keep moving!
What exactly are the odds of us making it out of this?
Focus, Air Raid. Optimus is counting on us. No matter what, we will see this through.
Take some of the sting out. This is it. The coolant control room. You've got the controls straight ahead.
Ah, what the?
Jetfire, after all this time, you've come home.
Jetfire? How does he know you?
Long story. Megatron, enough lives have been lost. You've got to stop this madness.
You should have joined my Decepticons when you had the chance, Jetfire.
I wear the Autobot insignia with pride, Megatron.
There is no pride to be had in humiliation at the end. Decepticons, attack!
Pulling weapons! Die, Autobot! To the ranks!
Your cause is lost, Autobots!
Never! We'll fight to our last spark! Aim on the way! Rocket inbound!
I grow tired of this display. Finish them, then bring me their heads!
Rerouting power to the
I grow tired of this display. Finish them, then bring me their heads!
Let's take out that group together!
It's over!
Engine firing! Let's do this!
In your face, Megatron!
Jetfire! How long before it hits critical?
Every nanoclick counts. We can accelerate the process by overloading the pulse regulator from the station's nerve center. That would definitely finish it off.
Well then, lead the way!
Red alert. Structural integrity at 95%. Replace it with immediately.
That's good, right? This is good.
Jetfire, we're dead on. The station's coming apart at the seams.
Not fast enough, it isn't. When we get to the nerve center, we can really cause some damage.
Red alert. Structural integrity at 90%.
It's a dead end! No such thing. Jump down through the coolant.
Alert. Energon beam integrity is compromised.
Incompetent fools! Find the Autobots immediately! The Autobots have overloaded the entire cooling system! Megatron will vaporize us if Trypticon goes offline! Move!
Yes, sir! We're almost there, guys. The nerve center is just up ahead. Intruders! Decepticons! Melt them down!
Burn through them, Autobots! Don't even slow down!
I never do.
Weapon systems restored! I down another!
Red alert. Structural integrity at 85%.
Rockets incoming! I'm thinking this will end the smoke! Afterburners on! They're bringing grenades! Out of energy! Weapons hot! Incompetent fools! Find the Autobots immediately! The Autobots have overloaded the entire cooling system! Megatron will vaporize us if Trypticon goes offline! Move!
Yes, sir! We're almost there, guys. The nerve center is just up ahead. Intruders! Decepticons! Melt them down!
Burn through them, Autobots! Don't even slow down!
I never do.
Red alert. Structural integrity at 85%.
Where's the bomb? I see you, Autobot scum! Grenade! Seek cover if you can!
The beam is just eating those guys.
How do you like that, deceptive freak?
Red alert. Structural integrity at 80%.
Center is just ahead.
All right, we're here. What now, Jetfire?
We need to overload the beam's pulse regulator. Hit those switches on the far panel.
There's a seeker! Weapon systems recharging! Fine addition to the ranks!
Rising to critical level.
Now throw that second switch. Blast the pulse regulator!
Plasma approaching critical level.
Watch out! Decepticons incoming!
Hold them off! We have to give the plasma time to overload! Firing grenade! Grenade!
Those Decepticon freaks!
Weapons too high! One less Decepticon to worry about! Respectable shooting!
Plasma level at 90%.
Now that's what I'm talking about!
Get down! Training is paying off! Weapons hot! Cooling weapons!
Time for the big guns! That one's not getting back up!
Danger. Plasma approaching critical level.
Watch out! Decepticons incoming!
Hold them off! We have to give the plasma time to overload!
Engage that beam! Be smart!
Gave him an airfield, didn't I? That's how I prevent
rush on my account. I like blasting Decepticons.
Every nanoclick longer means more Autobot deaths. Hold your ground! Here comes another wave! Respectable shooting! Grenade! Seek cover if you can!
Plasma level at 90%.
That's what I'm talking about!
Danger. Plasma approaching critical level.
Watch out! Decepticons incoming!
Hold them off! We have to give the plasma time to overload! Some of this! Get down explosives! What's this Decepticon to worry about? Training is paying off! Alright, wings them!
Danger. Plasma level at 100%.
Come on! Overload already!
No need to rush on my account. I like blasting Decepticons.
Every nanoclick longer means more Autobot deaths. Hold your ground! Here comes another wave!
Danger. Plasma level at 110%.
110%? Goes that high?
No!
Plasma level at 90%.
That's what I'm talking about!
Danger. Plasma approaching critical level.
Watch out! Decepticons incoming!
Hold them off! We have to give the plasma time to overload! Grenade out!
Targets detected!
Plasma level at 90%.
That's what I'm talking about!
Danger. Plasma approaching critical level.
Watch out! Decepticons incoming!
Hold them off! We have to give the plasma time to overload! Take that, Decepticon punk! Decepticon road! Dead ahead! A fine addition to the ranks! One Decepticon drilled under it!
Danger. Plasma level at 100%.
Come on! Overload already!
No need to rush on my account. I like blasting Decepticons.
Every nanoclick longer means more Autobot deaths. Hold your ground! Here comes another wave!
Nothing like making sure my weapons need to cool off.
Just down another one!
Danger. Plasma level at 110%.
110%? Goes that high?
No, that's the point! It's about to blow!
What just happened?
I must say, Autobots, your stupidity is staggering. Did you not account for backup systems at all? No. Pity. Decepticons, find the Autobot intruders and dispose of them immediately.
Well, great. What do we do now? The beam is down! What the? What just happened?
I must say, Autobots, your stupidity is staggering. Did you not account for backup systems at all? No. Decepticons, find the Autobot intruders and dispose of them immediately.
Well, great. What do we do now? We kill it at the source. Autobots, full thrusters. We need to find a way into that gun. We'll blow it up from the inside.
Now you're talking, Silverbolt!
Autobots, find cover!
Feet on the ground! Decepticon punk!
Autobots, find cover!
Fine. How do we get past?
There are the controls.
Look at you complaining, but nearly all right. Weapons overheated.
It's opening. Let's move.
Tripticon, the Autobots are keeping the rest of their transports grounded. Take aim at the planet's surface. Destroy Iacon City! As you command, Lord Megatron. Readjusting alignment.
Was that? Did that thing just talk? Yeah, it did. And it's about to fire on Iacon. Autobots, there at the energy conduit. That's our point of entry. Go now! Move! We're inside the gun now, Optimus. We'll disable it ASAP.
And how exactly are we supposed to disable this thing?
There's got to be some kind of weak point. Just keep flying.
That sounded like laughter. Was that laughter?
Silverbolt, we're taking a pounding down here. Get that gun offline.
Come on, guys, hurry! We're inside the gun now, Optimus. We'll disable it ASAP.
And how exactly are we supposed to disable this thing?
There's got to be some kind of weak point. Just keep flying.
That sounded like laughter. Was that laughter?
Silverbolt, we're taking a pounding down here. Get that gun offline.
Come on, guys, hurry! Every time that gun fires, more Autobots die!
You cannot stop me, little Autobots. I am Tripticon. I am your death.
Oh, great Primus. I think this gun is a Cybertronian!
I live to serve Megatron and to destroy Autobots.
Aim for the fuel cells on the back of the destroyer! That's how I prefer Decepticons. Riddled with blasters. I'm ready. Let's do this! Take that, Decepticon punk! Looks like the Vapor Quantex chambers. Keep going!
Look out! Don't let those mashers catch you! Crypticon, I have the coordinates for Optimus Prime's exact location. Target him now!
Yes, Lord Megatron. Zeroing in on coordinates now.
Did you hear that? One direct hit and Optimus is scrapped! Hurry!
Wait a second. Triptychon's a Cybertronian, right?
Yeah, so?
He must have a conversion cog. If we destroy it, he won't be able to stay online as a gun. He'll revert to his original form.
We don't even know what his original form is!
Maybe not, but anything is better than this. Great idea, Air Raid.
Lord Megatron. Optimus Prime's location is now target locked. Powering up for maximum impact.
They're gonna kill Prime! Move, move, move!
There! Blast it! Destroy the turrets! gonna take with this guy? Silverbolt! He's jetting straight for the planet! Aim at his jetpacks! We're not finished with him yet!